All right, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. And today, I know I haven't really posted in a while, and it's good to be back. It's good to be on the channel again and back to posting. So, in today's automation, what I'm going to be building is something very easy to do, but very important, I feel like, for businesses. And this is going to be customer service AI chatbot, which is going to be deployed specifically on Telegram for this use case. So this N8N automation is going to be easily built, and I'm going to show you how to build this type of automation and then how to deploy it as well on your N8N automation, and you'll be able to see it function in your business. So if we're running into each other for the first time, my name is Moanga Chanda. I build, run, document everything about AI on this channel, and I've been doing a few automations prior to this automation and documenting those as well. So be sure to check them out. But at the same time, I'm also running my own AI agency to build and scale and implement these AI tools into businesses. So without further ado, if you're someone that's looking to integrate AI into your business or any type of automation into your business, feel free to reach out. Feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll leave the link to the Instagram. Feel free to DM me on Instagram whatever type of automation that you may need or whatever inquiries that you may have. I'll be sure to answer those as soon as I possibly can. So, I'm going to be diving into this N8N automation, and it's going to be one that's deployed on Telegram. So, as you can see, you come on my Telegram here. It's N8N automation. I was literally testing it out. And this is how it works specifically. So I'm going to jump into how this N8N automation looks like and how it is built. So this is literally just an easy template, and I feel like I've been seeing multiple N8N automations where it's usually a long list of types of nodes for businesses. I'm not trying to say those automations aren't. They're fine. Okay, they're really brilliant when it comes to working. But for this automation, I feel like it's something that's looks small but is really valuable for businesses. And then how it essentially works is a customer support AI agent, and literally what it does is it's trained off of the information that it has for your company, and every single time someone reaches out to your company or wants to ask a certain question, or it's an FAQ or anything of that sort, literally the AI agent on Telegram for this specific use case is going to be able to capture that information and then respond according to the document that you provided. So literally, as you can see, I can put it in a three-step process, which is the trigger of the Telegram. It has the AI support agent, and then you go back to the reply to the message. Literally, it's that easy. And how I'm going to do this is I'm going to show you the first part of the trigger. Literally, all you have to do is just uh, if you're creating a new one, you just go new, search for Telegram. Oh, yeah, new, search for Telegram. Telegram, you search for message, the message model, which I think is here, which is send a message, and then every single time it receives a message, that's when the trigger is activated. And then the next step that we do have is the AI model here. Obviously, as you can see, AI customer support, and then we have the prompt. So I specifically made this AI support for med spas because I was just trying to test it out, and I also did ask ChatGPT to give me a detailed prompt on how I would want, um, or how a med spa rather would want their customer support to be like. So I literally just gave it this entire prompt. As you can see, it says you're a med bot, a friendly knowledge based AI assistant for med spas. Your purpose is to educate, schedule, and reassure clients about non-surgical aesthetics. Services includes key objectives, all these other, the knowledge base is here. What is a medical spa? All those types of questions that someone may have, this agent is going to be trained off of that. So literally, that's what you have, as you can see. Then we go back to the OpenAI model that we're using. As you can see, is going to be GPT-4 mini. We have the memory, we have document you can attach if you don't want to let's say if you have extra knowledge that you want to feed to the AI chatbot concerning your business, you can literally attach the document to that as an external knowledge base, and then it's going to be able to refer to that knowledge if it can't really find the knowledge that it needs in the first prompt that you gave it. So literally that, and then once it creates a response or maybe generates a response for you, literally it just sends it back to you on Telegram. So literally, this model right now is active because obviously I've been using it. So I'm going to deactivate it so that you can see how it works. So as you can see, I've deactivated the model, and you come back to here, you create an assistant. So how you create a Telegram assistant, by the way, I think I forgot how to do that. I'm going to create a separate video on that. So be sure to uh, I'm pretty sure I'm going to try and upload it as after this video, so I'm also going to leave a link down, literally. So what you do if you want to link the Telegram, literally you are supposed to create your own bot on Telegram and then get the API key for that bot and then come paste it here in 8N. Then that's how you're going to create that bot. But I'm also going to create a video about that and then I'll post that video and then I'm literally going to leave a link to that video. So just this three step just this three-step process for building this agent can literally save up a company's can literally save up a lot of time from a company for a company, because they won't need to hire someone to always respond to these FAQs. If someone just wants to ask certain questions, obviously it's going to be trained off of that knowledge base and then just going to retrieve all that information if it already has that. So right now, the node is inactive, and this is what it looks like because I was just trying it out, and you can see if I type in, for example, just a greeting, hey, right, it doesn't respond. Why? Because the node is inactive. So literally, I don't even have to activate it. I can just test the workflow here. As you can see, the workflow will be executing. It will come here to check the model, generate a response, and then send back the message on the Telegram. And we go back to our Telegram. As you can see, it's generated the response for us. Literally, hi there, how can I help you today? If you have any questions or need assistance, just let me know. So since every single time right now for me to be able to use it, I'll have to execute the workflow. So it's just better if I just activate the workflow so that I can have continuous conversation workflow with this automation. So workflow activated, literally go back. But if the workflow is off and then I text it, I don't know if you've seen, it's not going to respond. If it's active, literally, if I say, uh, uh, how, what services do you offer? And you see, we head back to our N8N automation here, and it's executed perfectly. We come back, need to generate literally a response list of the services that they already offer. So as you can see, we offer a wide range of non-surgical aesthetics and well serviced, including injectables. I don't honestly know what any of these things mean because I have no business with that. Skin rejuvenation. Oh, interesting. Body and fat reduction, wellness, and niche services. Would you like more information about the specific services? So let's say yes. Let's just say how much do they cost? Great. What service would you like information and schedule a consultation? See, it also literally schedules a consultation call for you. Here's a general cost range of our services. Botox, 100 to 500 per area, last 3 to 4 months. Skin rejuvenation is 100 to 1,200. I think I would go for skin rejuvenation, honestly, if it was me. Body and fat reduction, wellness and niche services, 500 to 2,000. Med spas, honestly, are really crazy. They've got really crazy prices, I'm not going to lie. But yeah, so essentially that's how you can build a simple anything automation step by step. So like I said, if you are someone that would like to implement such an automation into your business, it may not be this automation or any other automation that you may have in mind. Do feel free to reach out to me on my Instagram, in my business website, and scheduling a call. And if you would like access to this specific anything automation, DM me on Instagram, Telegram. Yeah, DM me Telegram on Instagram or Telegram chatbot on Instagram, and then I'll be able to send you over the JSON. So literally, when I send you over the JSON or the file of this thing, you're just going to have to copy and can paste it into your anything, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be working by then. So uh, I think that's all for now. I'm literally going to try and be as consistent as possible when it comes to content, because I've literally upgraded most of my things. I don't know if you can tell, I've gotten like a new microphone now, which is honestly crazy. But yeah, thank you so much for sticking to this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I also really hope you learned from this video, and feel free to reach out and ask me any other questions that you may have. But subscribe and follow the channel as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.